So here I am explaining again the nature and position of the image that is formed by the concave mirror. So you see the first figure. So here the object position is at the infinity. So when the object position is at infinity, the image position is at the focus, means the image is formed in the focus, and that image size is point size, or it is highly diminished, and the nature of the image here it is the real and inverted. So whenever the object position is at infinity, the image will be formed at the focus. Now in the next figure you see, so when the object position it is beyond the center of curvature, so C is the center of curvature here. So when the object position is beyond C, here the image that is formed, it will be between the focus and center of curvature, and the size of the image it will be diminished, and it will be real and inverted. So in this case what we have got, that when the object position is beyond the center of curvature, then the image will be formed between the focus and center of curvature, and that will be, the image will be diminished and real and inverted. Then in the next figure you see, so here when the position of the object is at the center of curvature, I mean C is the center of curvature, so when it will be at this position of the object is at the center of curvature, then the image will also form in the center of curvature. That means the image will be same size, and the nature of the image will be real and inverted. So whenever the object position is at the center of curvature, then the image will be also formed in the center of curvature, and that will be the same size as that of the object, and it will be real and inverted. So in the next figure you see, so when the object position is in between the center of curvature and the focus, so you see the image will be formed, will be beyond the center of curvature. So and that image will be, the size of the image will be enlarged, and it will be real and inverted. So you see the figure once again. So whenever the object is in between the center of curvature and the focus, so the image that will form will be beyond the center of curvature, and that will be the enlarged image, and it will be real and inverted. So you see the next one. So here when the object position is at the focus, then the image will be formed in the infinity. So infinity, you see there is no any certain point where it will be made, so it is infinite, it will be infinite. So here the image that is formed will be highly enlarged, and it will be real and inverted. So as in this figure we cannot show how it will keep on joining, so here we cannot. So here just you know that whenever the object position is in the focus, then here the image position will be at the infinity, and that will be highly enlarged and real and inverted. Then in the last figure you see, so here when the object is in between the pole and the focus. So when the object is in between the pole and focus, so here the image will be formed behind the mirror. So this is the image, and that image will be enlarged, and it will be virtual and erect. So you see, in all these cases we have find that the images in the before figures, we have find the images that are formed, they are all real and inverted, but only in this case only the image that is formed, it is virtual and erect. So when the object position is between the pole and the focus, So the image that is formed will be enlarged, and that is virtual and erect. So here now we will know the nature and position of the image that is formed by the convex mirror. So you see here in this case, when the position of the object is at the infinity, then the image that will form will be at the focus, and it will be point size, and it will be virtual and erect. Then in the next figure you see, so here when the object is between the infinity and the pole of the mirror, so the image will be formed in between the pole and the focus. So that will be the behind the mirror, and that image will be diminished and virtual and erect. So you see, whenever the images that are formed in the convex mirror, they are always virtual and erect. So in the first case, you see, again you see the first case. So here the position of the object is at infinity. Then if it is at the infinity, the image will be formed at the focus, and that will be the point size image, and it will be virtual and erect. But in case of the second one, you see here the position of the object, it is at between the infinity and the pole. So when the image is formed, it will be behind the mirror, that is between the pole and the focus, and that image, it will be diminished and it will be virtual and erect.